Hello guys, today I am gonna do a video cleaning filament winding tools with fully cured epoxy. The tools you can find down here. As you can see, this is very dirty part. So I have set up a machine just over here and I'm gonna load the parts now. So it's pretty simple. Just gonna open the cover. Normally, you will probably maybe design a fixture or something to hold the parts in place. Then this way you will also be able to have more parts inside the washer. But for this test, I'm just gonna put them sporadically. It will clean just fine. So. So in the beginning, we are washing with the epoxy remover and 50% water, so it's a water-mixable product. After that is done, we're gonna go over to the rinsing stage. When the rinsing stage is done, we're gonna do drying, and then hopefully the parts will be clean. This is fully hardened epoxy. This might take some time. Normally for semi-cured or liquid epoxy, we can do this in a half to hour, sometimes 45 minutes, depending on the curing. For fully hardened, this can take up to 3 hours. But now let's see how it goes. To start with, I put it for 1 hour cleaning. Okay? So now the washing cycle just stops. We see the washing liquid is running out. There's a drip off time right now, which is about 2 minutes. For these 2 minutes, all the liquid is running back to the washing tank. If you want, you can just come around here. You can look in here and see. Down here, you have all the epoxy which we have washed off. It is the fully hardened epoxy. Now, what will happen is that it moves over to the other tank, and then we are rinsing it with water, the parts. Now, we're going to start rinsing in just a few seconds. The drip off is almost done. So, and as you can see with the rinsing water, there it comes. And now we are rinsing the parts to make sure we remove all the chemical residues on the surface before we start handling the parts. Now the process is done. The parts are in here. Now just open up. As you can see again, now it's been on 2 hours, but look. Some of them are still on. Just check here, look. Here you can just take it off. So depending on how you want to operate, there's 2 ways of doing it. The first way is to just say, okay, I'll give it like maybe even 3 or 4 hours until everything is completely gone automatically. Or you can just go and look. So it falls off, everything from the surface. Simply use the surface tension. On the back side, it's already clean. There's a little bit here. Whoops it. But now, in principle, this part is clean. 2 hours. And yes, there is like a little bit of brushwork, but it was very easy. The alternative is just to clean much longer. So I'm just gonna take the other parts. Here again, look, it starts to fall off. I can take it like this. So it still has surface binding, but and if it has, you can give it a bit longer. But again, remember, this is fully hardened epoxy. It's not something that's easy to move. So, hello. Now we have been cleaning for 4 hours to remove fully hardened epoxy. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so this one is completely clean. Nothing left. Perfect. This one Also, look, there's nothing here, completely clean, perfect. And this one looks clean, there's no outer layers of epoxy. In my opinion, again, a little bit around here, which is very hard to get in, but I believe, okay, I can actually remove it with my nail, so we can probably get it away. I'll just try to see if I can remove it afterwards. And this one, okay, there's still a little bit around here, but I believe it's been sitting there for a very long time. And the roller itself, okay, is I remove basically with my nail. Look. Again, after 4 hours, you have basically what I would call a clean part. I will not give it more time. I will instead just scratch the rest off. So thank you. I hope you liked the video and learn more about how to clean your tools for fully hardened epoxy. And now that the cleaning process is done, I just want to show you guys one of the filters, which is on the back side. It's here. As you can see, here is all the big epoxy particles ending up in the flowback filter. Smaller epoxy particles will be cast in the particle filter here. So if it's tinier than 1000 microns. If we go over and look, here I have all the clean parts. And I hope you like it, because I am very happy with the result after 4 hours of cleaning.